Hi, my name is Eley and I'm an account manager here at MRI Software. Welcome to another Whiteboard Wednesday. The trend in the market today is that software tends to be delivered via the cloud or as SaaS, which means software as a service. We here at MRI have been hosting numerous of our solutions in the cloud for many years. Because the pendulum continues to swing towards hosting as a preference for many other businesses, we have decided that we would like to combine other industry standard advances alongside our new developments to create a package. This is to maximise your investment in the UK's leading property management solution. So today I'll be talking about the advanced package and the main components that make up the advanced package. So this is just for the MRI Qube property management system, and it's mainly a package for existing customers, but it's also going to be available for new customers too, all of the components that I talk about today. So let's start with SaaS. So to begin with, I'm just going to be talking about the three main key benefits of us hosting your system. Number one, security. We host your system in one of our tier 3 data centers. That is just a step below the government's level of security. So not only do you have a sophisticated security setup, we actually include disaster recovery as standard. And because we are your IT team, we run all of your backups every night. 2, cost savings. You will no longer need to invest in any of your hardware, especially if you are growing just for QPM, because we will continue to provide the latest operating system requirements in order for you to advance the technology powering your system. 3 is time savings. We manage and update and upgrade your system because we are your IT team. So that means that as your support and IT team, you can then just focus on your core business. So now I'm just going to draw your attention to the new release. So here we have combined the rich functionality of QPM alongside the new user interface, which has a much more modern look and feel. It is much more intuitive and easier to use, so thus time is saved once you're actually navigating your way around the system itself. So now I'm just going to draw your attention to SQL. SQL is an industry standard tool that we will use to write and communicate different ways to the database. So what this means to you as a customer is, 1, you get better scalability. You will no longer need to expand the database, and better still, there is no downtime for data recovery. 2, flexibility. SQL itself has its own database server, which means the application and the data reside in different locations. This is in fact considered best practice for data security. And also, we will be including rollback functionality alongside this. 3 is future-proofing your platform. Having SQL will allow you to set up your system to adapt to changes going forward. And for us, using the standard technology where there are peaks in resource requirements, we can in fact cross-resource developments far more easier. And what this means is we can deliver new apps, portals and functionality to you much faster and more reliably. So as one of the new actual portals itself, let's move on to the Manager Hub. So the Manager Hub is solely written on SQL. And it can only be used if you have a SQL setup. The Manager Hub actually increases the mobility of your workforce because it shows a snapshot of the property management data, the diaries, and uses Google Maps functionality anywhere you have an internet connection on most devices. So to wrap all of this up, I just want to explain that our expert team will be providing all of the services to in fact get you to the hosted system, so to convert you into the cloud, update you to the new release, as well as convert you to SQL and then set up the Manager Hub. And this does include all of your current modules, all of your routines and all of your reports. And just to reiterate, once again, this is a package for current customers, but everything I have mentioned today will be made available for new customers too. Thank you for your time for listening to another Whiteboard Wednesday. If you do have any further questions, please do get in touch with your account manager. Thank you.